2025, I wish for 5 things: health to pursue my dreams, strength for life's battles, motivation to reach my goals, serenity for uncertainties, and above all, to be closer to God. Life isn't always easy. Some days feel overwhelming, but I trust that God sees my struggles, collects my tears, and never abandons me. This new year, I want to walk with faith, trust more, and let God guide my steps, no matter the challenges. I believe with Him, I can overcome anything. I declare 2025 as a year of health, prosperity, and abundant blessings. Let's spread hope and faith to make it truly transformative. Send this to someone special and share optimism for the year ahead.